Okay, then. Good evening, everyone, and good evening, ma'am. I'd like to thank you for giving us an opportunity to present our work before you. So, if I have the permission, may I start?
Yeah, please.
Okay, thank you. So, I'd like to say that as we, Group 5, have worked together to make this presentation, in some or the other situation, all of us came to know as to how important leadership and being a good mentor is. It not only affects the team members, but also the work and efforts they put in while carrying out the project. With that, let's start a presentation which revolves around the topic of efforts of leadership styles on team motivation of Wipro. So, as we all have heard about Wipro Technologies, it's one of the largest software companies in India, which is headed by Azim Premji, whose attributes point towards a level 5 leadership skill. Sound values, integrity, and professional were identified as the impetus that drove Premji to turn Wipro from a $2 million company to a $1.76 billion company. As we can see, the logo of the Wipro is basically a sunflower which has five colors. The red symbolizes life and dynamism, green symbolizes nature and freshness, yellow symbolizes sun and aspiration, violet symbolizes intelligence and innovation, and lastly, blue symbolizes the sky, sea, and transpiration. So let's have a look at the background of the chairman of Wipro. Azim Premji is the chairman of Wipro Technologies, which is one of the largest software companies as we have already seen. He has studied electrical engineering from Stanford University of United States of America. Azim Premji took over the reins of family business in 1966 at the mere age of 21. He was amongst the 50 richest people in the world from 2001 to 2003 listed by the Forbes. In 2005, Government of India honored Azim Premji with Padma Bhushan, and he was also determined to make Wipro a success story right from the start when he took over the reins of the family. Azim Premji quoted, "What you will remember when you retire is not which quarters you exceeded, your sales target, or won large deals, but leaders whom you helped in developing. Develop leaders under you, not only because it is good for the business, but because it will give you tremendous personal satisfaction." With that, I'd like to add that in December 2010, he pledged to donate $2 billion for improving school education in India. This has been done by transferring 213 million equity shares of Wipro Limited, which was held by a few entities controlled by him, to the Azim Premji. This donation has been the largest of its kind in India. Also, in March 2019, Premji pledged an additional 34% of Wipro stock held by him to the foundation, which is at the current value of about $7.5 billion. Now, this allocation will bring the total endowment from him to the foundation to $21 billion. Also, last year in 2020, the Azim Premji Foundation collaborated with the National Center for Biological Sciences and the Institute for Stem Cell Science and Regenerative Medicine for augmenting testing infrastructure to deal with the coronavirus pandemic. Also, an interesting fact about Mr. Azim Premji is that he has said being rich did not thrill him at all. He became the first Indian and the third non-American after Richard Branson and David Sainsbury to join the philanthropy club named the Giving Pledge, which is basically a campaign led by Warren Buffett and Bill Gates to encourage the wealthiest people to make a commitment to give most of their wealth to philanthropic causes. He has also topped the list of philanthropists in India for 2020 with 7,904 crore in donations. He donated what about 22 crore rupees per day according to Elsevier in India of philanthropy list of 2020. With that, I'd like to pass it over to Rohan. Thank you.
Thank you, Pramita, for the introduction. Now let's see the objectives of the study. From the study, we can understand the leadership practices at Wipro. We can understand the effects of leadership styles on motivations of employees. We can also understand the managerial practices at organization. From this study, we can also understand the importance of managerial practices and leadership styles behind the success of Wipro. We can also understand the relationship between manager and team member. To understand the leadership styles implemented by Azim Premji in the organization. Over to you, Vedant.
Thank you, Rohan. So we'll look upon now the leadership program at Wipro. These are the 5 basic leadership program which is followed by Wipro. The first one is entry level program, which is basically for fresh recruits who goes through the process. This program helps the newcomer into becoming a good management employee, like how to become an effective team member, or how to participate in meetings, or how to communicate his thoughts and his feelings to the others. The second one is new leaders program, which is also known as NLP. This is designed for the first time managers who get promoted to the managerial level. Many people continue to be more comfortable managing technology rather than the people. So this program teaches how to build team, communicate, and leading according to the situations. The third one is WLP, which is Wipro Leaders Program. So this is addressed to the manager of managers who still want to manage the teams directly. So from here, the leadership program becomes as a corporation wide program. The fourth one is BLP, which is Business Leaders Program. So this program is for general managerial level, who is waiting and who looks at a business as a whole and understand bottom line implications. It covers relevant elements of finance and environmental scanning. The last and the fifth one is SLP, which is Strategic Leaders Program. So this is the highest program which is offered by Wipro, who aims at chief executive level. So it helps them to design and develop strategies for a global environment and to participate in global structure. Thank you. Over to you, Rohan.
Thank you, Vedant. Now let's see the two core principles by Azim Premji. One of Premji's most important accomplishment has been creating a senior management culture that thrives even under intense competitive pressure. He established two core principles that are instrumental in building the character of his leadership team. In first principle, he said that the chairman of an organization is not a king. After his father's death, he took over Wipro as its chairman, and he shared the authority and responsibilities with his subordinate. And second one, Premji believes in the atmosphere of zero politics and honesty within the organization. If an employee is not honest with the organization, then he will be out of the company. At Wipro, they do not consider anyone so close and don't even ignore anyone. He treats all the employees equally, and he agree with open and honest disagreement. Thank you. Over to you, Akshay.
Thank you so much, Rohan. Now coming forward, I would like to explain Leadership Development Framework. Under Leadership Development Framework, Wipro has come up with lots of innovative ideas for development of leaders as well as employees, which are as following. First one is objective setting. In Wipro, leaders have set objectives for the employees and make them work accordingly. Then after second one is competencies-based performance appraisal. Competencies-based performance appraisal is a process and form which mainly focuses on skills and competencies of the employee necessary to be successfully achieving the goals of the organization. Under these, the leaders also provide performance document to their employees so that they can know how they have worked and how they have performed. Then after the next one is WLQ, 360 degree. WLQ stands for Wipro Leaders Quality. Under this, the superior managers and the leaders provide 360 degree feedback to their employees so that they can know how they have performed, where they have lagged, where they have performed excellent, and where they have been neutral during the performance. Then after the next one is CSS, Customer Input. CSS stands for Customer Service and Support. Under this, leaders make employees to work as per the feedback received from the customer. Then after the next one is Meet Your People program. Under this program, leaders try to connect individually to each and every employee and try to solve their challenges and difficulties faced by them during the work so that their performance level can enhance and they can work effectively and efficiently. Then after the next one is HR Preview and Planning. HR planning is always try to bring quality to the organization. Human resource review and planning come up with the innovative ideas and skills to enhance the skills and the competencies of the employees so that they can work in the friendly environment and so that they can work very efficiently and effectively. Then after the next one is early opportunities. In Wipro, leaders try to provide early opportunities to their employees so that employees can get a chance of promotion and advancement. In return, the employees feel that they are giving the opportunity so that they can enhance their level and so that they can get promotion. So they feel motivated to work really hard. Then after the last one is life cycle leadership program. There are different types of life cycle leadership program at Wipro, such as ELP, HLP, WLP, SLP. Stands for Strategic Leaders Program, Wipro Leaders Program, Entry Level Program, which was briefly explained by Vedant in earlier slide. So in this way, Wipro has maintained their leadership development framework so as to motivate their employees and to make them work really hard. Thank you so much. Over to Diptanshu.
Mentoring for women leaders is one of the important initiative taken by Wipro. In Wipro, women comprises 29% of the total talent. So that's why there are some leadership programs that are given specially to women in order to increase and encourage them more in their leadership roles. One of them is Women in Leadership Program, which is designed specially for women to strengthen and leverage their leadership capabilities and accelerate their career growth. One of the other programs are WOW Speaker Series, in which many women CEOs from around the world comes and talk to the women and explain them what the leadership roles are. And according to Senior President and Global Head of Wipro Consumer Business Unit, these are the observations she had which help her and other women for women and leadership roles. Like, every woman should have the ambition and determination to take a leadership roles in the company. The family support should be must, as they believe in a good family background. There should be no discrimination regarding work between male and female, and there should be no discrimination regarding promotion and high position regardless of what gender you are. Over to you, Rishabh.
Thank you, Diptanshu. Now we will see the motivating factor for employee. First one is friendly office environment. Wipro conduct extracurricular activities like indoor games that boost the employee energies toward work and that maintain a friendly environment throughout the office. Next one is a good relationship with colleagues and senior. A senior in the office are like teachers to the employee. Senior teach a lot about work in an office. Maintain good relationship and friendship with senior help a lot in the overall growth for employee. Next one is attention is given toward every employee mental health. Studies found that hectic pressure on employee mind can cause them stress, depression, and other mental problems. So to solve this mental problem, Wipro offers them short breaks and also engages them in activities that relieve their mental burden, and work are equally divided among other employees so that one particular employee doesn't have to handle all the work pressure. Next one is work-life balance provided. So Wipro along with work also provide vacation for the whole family of the employee, organize different cultural events, secure the medical expenses of the family, etc. Next one is health insurance. As I already mentioned in the above point, the company secure all the medical expenses of the whole family of the employee. Next one is education loan provided. If the employee wishes to pursue higher education and he or she is not able to manage the money, then the company helps the employee with the education loan if they wish to pursue higher education from our country or foreign country. Next one is bonus provided. The employer benefited with the bonus amount by the company with each extra hour they put in their office work. By providing the bonus amount, the employer are encouraged to do more work. Next and last one is no type of discrimination to be tolerated. The company not discriminate against employees based on their caste, creed, religion, etc. The company also ensures that all the employees within the company are treated equally among other employees. Over to you, Akshay.
Thank you so much, Rishabh, for explaining factors motivating the employees within the Wipro. Now, moving forward, I would like to explain effort taken by Wipro on team motivation. Under this, I will be explaining what indeed effort taken by Wipro in order to make their employees work hard and enhance their performance level. So, first one is dealing with pandemic. as we all know that the whole world is facing the unprecedented condition of COVID-19, which has adversely impacted every organization, but still Wipro has managed to keep their employees motivated by arranging a doctor on call during the lockdown, by providing psychological counseling and online meditation process for psychological well-being of their employees. So as we can understand, Wipro has not only provided the doctors on call, but also have taken care of the psychological well-being of their employees. Then after, the next one is opportunity for advancement. Wipro always try to provide opportunities for promotion and advancement of the employee, under which it encourages employee to acquire more advanced skills that will lead to their chance of promotion. Wipro focuses on what new skill employees should need to develop in order to be on a track to advancement within the organization. So the leader basically they try to track the skills and the competencies of the employee in order to make them good, and in order to make them so that they can have their advancement within the organization. Then after, the third one is recognition program. As we all know, or as I can say that you all will agree with me, that everyone loves to be appreciated and recognized by all for their work and performance. So Wipro conducts different types of recognition program, under which Wipro has a unique package called InCore, which is essentially a basket of non-monetary reward given to motivate employees and to recognize excellent work performance. So basically what InCore is, it is a basket of non-monetary reward where there are different types of rewards are given to the employees so as to enhance their performance level, so as to motivate them so that they can work really hard. And under this basket, the non-monetary rewards are given like gift card, electronic gift card, electronic appreciation card, and an e-thank you card, etc. Then after, there is an award known as Feather in My Cap award. Is an on-spot recognition of an effort awarded to a project or a project team. So in this way, these are the effort taken by the Wipro on team motivation. So, and there are the lots of effort taken by Wipro on team motivation, but we brought this forward because we think these are the essential for every individual or every employee within the organization, so as to make them feel motivated and so as to make them feel that they are putting value to the organization. Okay, thank you so much. Over to Radha.
Thank you, Akshay. I am take over the slide to explain about approach of leaders observed. Leaders usually are the members of an organization who provides the direction towards the goal attainment. Leaders always build straightforward opinions towards the work of the employees and let them to know where their employees lacking, may it be positive or negative. Leaders have potential to influence the behavior of employees towards their goals. Leaders are always prizes the hard work of the employees and they put out the mistakes of the employees and guide them to become best version of themselves. Leaders are someone who can see how things can be improved, and leaders can work towards making their vision in reality by putting them first and motivating them always. If leaders able to build positive relationship with their employees, they keep upcoming back with the best efforts. Mentoring provides team members who need improvement in particular aspects. One of my favorite humble opinion is treat your employees the way you want to treat it. If you were in their position and they were in yours. Leaders need to spend bit of time and communicate with employees to make them feel appreciated and get motivated. Over to you, Rucha.
Rucha is there?
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am, she's there.
I'm audible?
Yeah.
Thank you, Radha. Leadership preference by employees. First, proper understanding between the team members and the team leaders. then strong communication to be maintained, then providing motivation and willpower to employees to give their best, creating a platform for each team member to put forth their ideas excuse me, to recommendations. In other words, a platform where everyone's suggestions are valued. Thank you. Over to you, Vinayak. Sorry. Giving each employee a chance to exercise authority, which helps them grow as an individual. Thank you. Over to you, Vinayak.
Thank you, Rucha. Taking forward, I'm gonna explain method used by Wipro management. This is very important methodology. We interviewed some employees in Wipro, and our research done according to this, we conclude that Wipro used agile methodology for their management. The agile methodology is very important and adaptive. So Wipro took very nice benefit to implement on this. Agile means not rigid, very flexible, taking new things, adaptive, immediately changes according to conditions. So these all attributes very nice benefits to in Wipro. Whatever happens with employees, with higher management, with lower management, with middle management, they can very effectively handle those problems and correct it at the right point. So this agile methodology used in that also, facilitating and flexibility in matching workforce functions and its demands. The way the HR functions support the organization is become more adaptive, and this adaptiveness is key. Adaptiveness plays key success in HR in Wipro's prosperities. On this point, I would like to hand over to Karan.
Thank you, Vinayak. I will talk about the abstract. Can you change the slide? I will talk about the abstract and the result of the concept. As we all know, Wipro is one of the top IT companies. It does focus on providing transparent management practices to avoid any type of illegal or malpractices. And leaders in the companies are quite friendly and helpful in nature. Also, they try to motivate their employees based on their performance and efforts, as shown to you by Vedant. Uh, it also shows how company gives importance in the growth of their employees and to acquire advanced skills for them, like for future education. Wipro, as being one of the leading companies in India, adopting the best leadership styles and motivating factors. It's up to you, Aditya.
Suggestions and recommendations. As presented by our group member Vinayak, today Wipro is using agile methodology as the primary HR function policy. On the contrary, while the group was preparing for the presentation, we found out other management practices which might be effective in the Wipro management. And we narrowed it down and agreed on practice to suggest which is democratic leadership style. Long story short, it is a practice where suggestions regarding any decisions for every member in the hierarchy is taken into account. It's about considering everyone working for the organization and for the well-being of the organization. Next slide, please, Vedant. To conclude, Wipro, with a revenue of over 63,862 crores for the year 2020 and around 1,75,000 employees, is an organization to look forward for many others. With excellent leadership, no discrimination, and proper motivation to employees and a willingness to take suggestions, with all this in due, beyond the shadow of a doubt, Wipro is one of the global leaders in their own way. Next slide, Vedant. This is the bibliography of the presentation, ma'am.
Okay.
We also
No
did
problem.
talk to Kunal Sidekar, He is an employee of Wipro.
No, that's okay. I understood. So now question time. So I want all of you to switch on your videos so that I can see your faces. Yeah. Okay. So it was a good presentation and I'm happy you have given such a nice presentation, and I could make out all of you have done a lot of research in that as well. So I came to know different kind of leadership styles which Wipro is actually following. So do you think Wipro's leadership style should be a model which every company in the country or world should be following? What do you think? This can
Yes,
be
sure.
a kind of a model which should be followed, and why? Who can explain?
Yes, it can be followed.
Yeah.
Because it is basically used as, on agile methodology, which is very generic and very important, adaptable as per the condition. It's flexible. So any sort of time it cannot be rigid. That means I am the way straight away. I could not be neither this side neither I will go straight away. So that will become lot of consequences and lot of problems. Management or anybody somewhere about maybe he should be flexible somewhere. So whatever problem have occurs, they can adapt accordingly.
So basically there should be a flexibility in the leadership style, right? So because many people, many views, and they need to be comfortable. So a leader cannot be rigid, because he should listen to the people as well, right? Like in Wipro, they listen to people, right?
He should be open to suggestions.
Yeah. Yes, he should be
I
open to
would also
suggestions.
like to contribute.
Yeah. Who is contributing?
Yes,
Can I? Acha.
Yeah,
Akshay. Okay.
Akshay, roll number 56.
Yeah.
Ma'am, also there is as we have understood that there are different types of program in Wipro, and like entry level program, new leaders program, then after business level program, then after strategies level program. Means at every hierarchy, the Wipro is trying to conduct a different types of program, so that everyone get a proper chance to show their leadership. Everyone get a proper chance to show their qualities and skills. So I think this should be adopted by every organization, as per my suggestion.
Right. So from Wipro's leadership, you can make there is one point you can it is clear, is that see, at every point of time there should be a change, right? According to the demand, there should be a change in your leadership style, isn't it? Leadership style which is followed by the worker who is at the grassroots level, and the leadership style which is followed by a manager, right? It should be a different one, because you're dealing with different mindset, right? So through Wipro, you can understand that at different level there should be a different change in leadership style. And at the same time, do you think leadership should be important for organization? Those people who are not following leadership styles, effective leadership styles, do you think these organizations can grow?
No, ma'am.
Your views on that?
No, ma'am. No. No, ma'am.
So leadership quality is required, right? In order to become a successful organization, you should be a successful leader as well, right? Managers should be giving importance to their leadership style, right? They cannot be a dictator. They should be always flexible enough, right? Because ideas and everything should be taken, and it's not necessary that you follow each and every idea what the people are saying, but yes, you can take certain suggestions, right? So it could be a better.
And you should be clear towards your goal.
Correct. You should be clear towards your goal. You should be thinking about your people, and of course, yes, you should be also giving them the way to follow the path, right? Depending on the organizational goal. So guys, it was a good presentation. I really loved it, and I could make out you people have, and Rucha is not well. Beta, please take care of your health. And yes, it was a wonderful presentation, and I'll miss the presentations because today was the last day of your presentations. So every day I was used to taking presentation and seeing new and fresh faces, right? So I'll miss your presentations, but in short, just a small feedback. How was this whole experience for you all? This project and everything, how was the experience?
Ma'am, it was
Did you
really
learn anything? Did you learn any
Yes, ma'am,
kind of
yes.
leadership qualities? Did you learn any kind of managerial qualities? Did you learn any kind of
Ma'am,
anything
your
you learned?
presentation
Team building. ma'am.
not only
We
led
learned
us to
about
know
team
more
building.
about Wipro and leadership,
Hmm.
but this activity also brought us together. Like we
Yes, absolutely.
they did make it as a group.
Hmm.
So obviously the presentation was also made a huge contribution in it, and the topic also made a huge contribution in it.
So you people are happy with this kind of activity? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes,
Great.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. You have put in so much effort. I wasn't expecting actually that you people would be so much interested. But yes, my job is done. And good luck to you all. And God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Bye.